Good evening and welcome again to another live trading session with me at Market Potentials. Now, if you're entirely new to this channel, then let me just tell you a little bit about what we do here. Basically, we help new traders and especially traders who are new to binary options trading figure out how to trade profitably and consistently over a period of time. That's the entire goal of this channel. Basically, I show you my live trades on my live trading account to allow you to do the same. Now again guys, today is the 6th of May, just about 15 minutes past 8 p.m. from where I am. And again, this platform that you're looking at, the IQ option trading platform, is accessible for free from the sign up link below. So go ahead and do that if you want to get complete access to this. Now, we just concluded our 5 days trading challenge, link on the video right now, as you can see. Just go ahead and check that out, and you'll be able to see how over 5 days we were able to literally generate hundreds of dollars in profit simply from trading the same platform, the same techniques that I'm about to share with you. Now, I've decided to make this video with you beginners and my newbies who are entirely new to trading, who have no idea or have never traded before. So I'm going to try to simplify this video and its content and the things I say to the best of my ability. All right, guys? And hopefully you'd find that helpful. Now, in today's video, all we're looking to do is basically make 73% profit of $10 deposit, all right? So $10 is the minimum deposit on this platform, guys. And I'm literally going to show you how you can make $7.30 from your first deposit, okay? That's just it, nothing else, all right? That's the objective of today's video, and that's what I'm going to set out to do. Now, if you're new to this channel again, guys, I would very much appreciate if you could smash that subscribe button and just click on the like on that video if it proves to be helpful, because I do spend a bit of time to, record and come up with my trades and stuff. Because trust me, I would pretty much just, be happy to sit on my laptop and trade quietly. So trying to record, talk, and, trade it's a bit of a multitasking feat for me. So hopefully I'm improving on it from time, but yeah, it would mean a lot if you could, just lend a bit of support to me doing this. Now, again, coming back to the content of the video. Now, I know you guys are very excited if you're new to this, and I'm going to show you guys, like I said, how you're going to be able to make 73% of your first deposit on this platform, all right? Again, this is the IQ option platform. The sign up link is down below. You get complete, full, free, unfettered access to this platform by simply signing up below. Once you complete the identification, the verification process, again, this is because it's a trading platform, so they've got this, KYC, know your customer and stuff like that to validate you. Once you've done all of that stuff, you get complete access. Wow, that's a very nice big uptick there. But anyway, you get complete access to the same platform that I'm showing you right now. Now, in today's trade, we're going to be trading the Euro and the Japanese yen Forex pair. It's going to be in a binary option trade, okay? So if you're familiar with Forex, all you're looking at is basically this, all right? It's a movement of chart of a particular pair of currency, in this case, the Euro and the Japanese yen. In binary option trade, what we're doing is we're just trading on this as an underlying asset. Now, there are plenty of underlying assets you can trade on. A whole bunch of currencies in the binary option here, guys. Now this is all of the options that you have to trade on this platform, okay? So options, binary, digital, Forex, countless currencies, stocks, cryptos, even commodities and ETFs. So all of this is accessible on the same IQ option platform, guys, which is one of the main reasons why I use them, because they are pretty comprehensive and they have been around for quite a while, and more importantly, they're also accredited. All right, guys. So again, the sign up link is down below. Now coming back, as I said, I'm literally going to show you how to earn $7.30 of your first deposit on the platform. Now, what I practice is what's known as a technical analysis, okay? So what that means is I rely on a number of indicators to tell me or guide me on how to make the best decision in using this platform. So once you've signed up and you've got access to the account, the first thing I'd like you to do is just come up to this indicator section here. And in the popular, I want you to just click this Bollinger Bands. Now, don't mess around the setting, guys. The standard default setting is more than fine. So I just leave it under 14 and 2 deviation. Just click apply. and you'd realize I immediately get like a couple of extra colorful charts here. So the red and the yellow are basically what forms the band of the movement of the chart, all right? It's basically like a band of movement for the currency or the forex pair, or whatever it is that you're trading on. It kind of gives you the highs and the lows, and if it moves in and out of it, then like it's very close to the red line here, then you kind of are seeing a new developing trend, for instance, all right, or a reversal, whichever it may be. Now the next indicator I use, and again, guys, I'm gonna reduce my typical uh, indicators to try and simplify this. The next one is the MACD. Okay, again, leave it all on default and just click apply. And the third is basically gonna be our, where is my momentum? All right, so again, momentum, 20 period, candle closing, apply. That's it. Now, this three indicators, again, guys, this was the Bollinger Bands, MACD, and the momentum is really all you need if you're new to the platform and you're just looking to trade for the first time, okay? So again, like I said, you have put in $10, which is the minimum deposit on the account, and hopefully you're going to be able to make $7.30 on your first trade. Now, what I'm looking for, guys, and what I avoid is this period here. This is what I call a fairly flat period of trade. Now, I tend to avoid these kind of periods. The best is when there is a movement, all right, upwards or downwards that you can take advantage of. And that's the kind of pattern that you want to be looking at, okay? So while we are looking for an opportunity, let me just tell you a little bit about what I'm looking to do today. Now, the white dotted line, when you get access to the platform, is the purchase time, and the red is the expiration line, okay? So in binary option trading, all you're looking to do is just predict the movement of the chart, either higher or lower within a period of time, which is just this 30 seconds here between the time from the white to the red, okay? And that's all you're looking to do. Now, guys, you can see a downtrend that has just emerged here, shown here and here as well, with the momentum and the MACD compounded by the Bollinger Band. Now, I could have taken a trade there with an uptick, but I was, again, talking a little bit too much, so I'm going to let that be. Now, that are the kind of things that you want to look for, okay? So you can predict the movement. Look, now that's a nice, very, very nice down cycle. But I'm not going to trade this because I'm still about 40 seconds to the next expiration line. One of the key things you want to keep in mind is to trade very close or as close to the purchase deadline, typically 5 seconds or less to the purchase time. Why do I do this? Because I can go ahead and enter a trade right now. The system is going to accept it, but that would mean I'm taking all this extra time of risk before the trade actually starts, which is silly if you ask me, because things can change, right, by then. So why would you do that? So again, I trade 10 to 5 seconds to the expiration line typically, and that's what I would recommend that you do as well. Now, again, I'm going to sit this one out, guys. Now, what you'd realize is that I'm not rushing into a trade, and especially if you're new to this, that is one of the first things I'd like you to master, all right? Don't rush into a trade. Don't feel compelled to trade just because the time is counting down, for example, or something. Only trade when you're comfortable, all right? If you're new to this, you're taking in a lot of information, you're trying to understand a lot of stuff. So only trade when you are confident of it, and you have reduced the risk as much as possible. Guys, like I said, take your time. There is no rush in rushing into a trade, whatever. All right, now we saw a pretty significant drop. Now that is an excellent thing to happen. Now let's just see if we're going to be able to capitalize on it. So we've got about 14 seconds to the purchase deadline. Let me see whether we'll be able to take advantage of this. And I say yes. So I've gone ahead and put the trade. So I've put in $10 and I've selected lower. And you can see that it just became lower as well. So guys, again, like I said, I am literally turning your first $10 deposit into a profit of 73%, or $7.30 right here. Okay, as you can see, I am, I've got about 10 seconds left to the expiration line, and all I need it to be is just be lower than the beginning here, than the trade initiation point, and I'm going to pocket $7. That's it, guys. Here we go. So that's $7.30 of your first profit. If you're new to this platform, I literally just showed you how you can make a 73% return of your $10 initial deposit, guys. Now, guys, I've done this countless of times. I've been using this platform for over 6 years now, specializing in binary option trades, and I've been able to make some crazy amount of returns, guys. So the reason I recorded this video is just to show you guys, beginners especially in mind, how you can turn your first $10 deposit on the trading platform to $7.30 in profit, meaning you just literally have $17.30 in your trading account from when you started, or a 73%. Again, guys, let that sink in. 73% return on investment of your first deposit, okay? And that's literally how I just do it all the time. Now, I do have a series of other videos that you can check out on the link below. Just go ahead and click that, and you can see how I was able to turn my first deposit of $10 to over $93, close to $100, or generating more than like 900% kind of return of investment of my invested capital. And you can check out how I did that. Again, guys, I very much appreciate if you could subscribe and give this channel a like as well, so I can continue producing content just like this to show you how you can trade profitably from the comfort of your home. All right, so I'll be back again with the next video sometime soon, guys. So don't forget the subscribe button, and I hope you guys take action to turn your first $10 to 73% profit on your deposit very, very soon, and join me on this journey of trading for your future. Cheers now, guys. Take care. Bye bye.